Technology demonstration of prefabricated tunnel kiln. More than 20 years of painstaking research and development, it has created a new model of brick industry. More than 20 years of forging ahead, pioneering and innovation, it has become the leader of energy-saving and environmental protection kiln. Yaxin Tunnel Kiln is bursting with passion, facing the pace of the times towards a new journey of international brand strategy. Prefabricated tunnel kiln of big capacity is suitable for construction residue, municipal sludge, construction waste, environmental production sludge, fly ash, coal gang, and industrial tailings and other solid wastes as raw materials for brick making. It can sinter many kinds of sintered products, including standard brick, porous brick, hollow brick, insulation block, and other types and specifications of new raw materials. The prefabricated tunnel kiln production line system mainly includes raw materials workshop, crushing workshop, automatic ingredients workshop, aging workshop, mud bricks production workshop, automatic mud bricks arranging system, transfer system, fast joining system, mud brick storage workshop, joining kiln body, firing kiln, air duct system, flue gas refiring system, automatic firing system, automatic brick unloading and automatic packing, and flue gas purifying system form the kiln. With the prefabricated design with bigger capacity, factory and modular production, with few occupied space, it has solved the problem of heat dissipation and energy consumption of multi-sided kiln walls. Through big capacity to ensure the output, reduce the fire speed to ensure quantity, reduce the heat demand during firing, greatly reduce the comprehensive energy consumption of finished products. Appropriately extend the firing time to solve the problem of adhesion between black brick and finished brick, meet the needs of automatic packing, and realize the intelligent and automatic operation of the whole plant. The main functions of the prefabricated tunnel kiln with big capacity and drying, preheating, firing, insulation, and cooling. When the prefabricated tunnel kiln with big capacity is fired by internal combustion, the fuel needs to be separately fed into the crushing system. The pulverized internal combustion fuel is mixed into the raw materials according to the proportion of calorific value. Through the powder mixing system, the mixing of internal combustion fuel and raw materials is more even, so that the heat is more stable. The shaft-leaf jump screen removes particles larger than the molding requirement. When the raw materials are broken and screened, the dust generated is removed by the dust collector to meet the discharge requirements. The water is proportionally added to the proportioned raw materials according to the moisture content of the raw materials. Transfer to a double shaft mixer and mix well. The stirred ingredients are transported to the aging workshop for aging. By walking back and forth on the track, the mobile distributor evenly transmits the material to each position of the aging workshop. The aged ingredients passed through multi-bucket reclaimers and box feeders are fed into the roller crusher for secondary fine crushing. Aged ingredients after second fine crushing are transferred to a strong mixer and stirred with water. The stirred fine powder raw materials are pumped into the extruder to vacuum and extrude mud strips. Cut into billets by automatic cutting machine. Then the billets are transferred to the automatic cutting machine and cut into bricks. Then transferred to the brick arranging platform. In the process of brick transfer, the unqualified bricks and the waste at both ends will return to blender automatically. The finished mud bricks will be placed on the fast drying system. By automatic brick arranging system, where the waste heat recovered by the kiln cooling system is used to dehydrate and dry the bricks for the first time. Fast drying system, the use of secondary arranging and firing process design can meet a variety of high moisture content of raw materials molding. The needs of billets arranging, drying, and firing can greatly reduce the blackness and adhesion of the finished bricks. The bricks from the fast drying system are placed on the brick arranging platform by the automatic arranging machine. After that, the mud bricks are placed on the kiln car according to the design height of the brickwork by the robot arranging machine. The kiln cars of the finished bricks are stored in the workshop through the kiln car operation system. According to the order of entry into the mud brick storage workshop, they are sent into the drying kiln by the kiln car automatic operation system. The drying kiln adopts double kiln door design to reduce the excessive air entering the drying kiln when the car enters, causing the exhaust gas oxygen content is too high. The smoke heat and waste heat of the fire kiln are used for dehydrating and drying again. The smoke gas with high oxygen content discharged from the low temperature preheating section and high temperature drying section of drying kiln is sent to the cooling and holding section of the kiln for oxygen refiring by flue gas refiring system. The high humidity flue gas discharged from the drying kiln is sent to the flue gas system for purification. After drying, the bricks are sent to the firing kiln by the kiln car operating system. The firing kiln has a double gate design to ensure a more stable airflow inside the kiln. In the process of working in the kiln car goes through preheating, firing, heat preservation, and cooling in turn. Double-channel seal design is adopted between kiln cars to ensure smooth and reliable operation. Sensors distributed in various parts of the kiln body transmit data back to the control room for automatic processing in real time. The kiln car's unfinished bricks after firing are transferred to the brick exit road through the kiln car operating system for unloading and packing. You can choose the driving brick holding machine to load the trucks. It is also possible to choose a fully automatic unloading baler, which can efficiently pile tally by combining the unstacking robot with the double-station palletizing machine after the stacked bricks are packed by the baler. Then the truck is loaded by forklift. The empty kiln car, after discharging the brick, enters the waiting line, cleans the chassis of the kiln car, and waits for the next cycle. The prefabricated tunnel kiln with big capacity, innovated by Yangxin Kiln Company, has advanced design and energy-saving concept for the country's first. Mature technical solutions and progressive self-pursuit have won the affirmation of experts and peers in the raw material industry, worked in the forefront at the same time of kiln enterprises in the raw material industry. Henan Yangxin Tunnel Kiln Company Limited is the practitioner and leader of energy-saving, environmental protection, high-yield, and low-consumption tunnel kiln. Excellence because of professionalism. Henan Yangxin and you will join hands to create a better future in the century.